Gosh, oh my gosh. Guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Now the reason why you guys clicked on this video, if you can tell by the background, our garden got destroyed last night. So it's, I don't even know where to begin. Yesterday, these plants were thick, lush, just leafy and just beautiful. And today, look at them.
It's awful.
Look at our tomato plants. Just ate up. Look at our tomato plants. So, all of them. Like you couldn't see the cattle panel yesterday because there were so many leaves, and overnight they got completely wiped out. Our broccoli, our cauliflower is starting to get wiped out, and I'll show you what they are. Have you guys heard of blister beetles? That's what we call them here.
Striped blister beetles.
But look at them everywhere. I'm trying not to get any on me.
All over the grass. Look at all these.
I know, they're all over the place.
Millions of them.
There are millions. They're everywhere. They're on my cauliflower right now as we speak, going to town eating. Look at them up under there. Eating. It's just, they're everywhere. They've destroyed all of our crops. They're all over the ground. Just overnight we had millions of them come in and completely wipe out. Look at them all crawling around everywhere. They are everywhere. I'm trying not to let them crawl up on my feet and start blistering me out, but they are, I'm wanting to show you guys exactly what they look like. So we have had bad luck, hard times on the homestead again. These plants are done. Like, they're not going to recover. They have to have their leaves, and they're done. They started attacking the okra. We had 7 dust on everything, but through watering them the last few days, we've washed it off, and they hit it at the perfect time. They're starting to hit the okra now. I went through and I've kind of knocked them off, and we're going to 7 dust the okra. It's literally the last thing we have left. Yeah. I mean, the squash.
We got to get rid of them because we've read that they're bad for animals as well. So we got to doctor up our stuff so that they move on, because we don't need them here. So let's get started. It's crazy. They're everywhere. I wish y'all could see this ground. Like moving.
It looks like the grass is alive, and it's just, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of them everywhere. What?
It was on me. I don't want a blister.
Wow. Okay.
It was like coming up my neck, okay?
You sure it was one of those?
Yes, it was. It was striped.
Oh. Well, don't do that. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look, they're running over there.
We're going to get blisters.
Oh, all up underneath that plant.
Oh my gosh.
So another thing that works really, really well, which we may go get, is like tick granules. Throw them out, seed them out in your yard, wet them down, and these things will instantly die. So we may do that. put some out here around the raised garden beds and see if we can get them in contact with it to kill it, because these things are psycho.
They're all over the ground.
Don't walk over here with them flip-flops.
I got my flip-flops on.
Look
but
at,
they're swarming.
you should have seen this. I lifted up this this cauliflower leaf.
Yeah. They're all over the ground.
And there was like hundreds of them right there.
Oh, look at them.
Yeah, they're all on the sides.
Yeah. See, they wasn't like that yesterday. Oh, look at them.
Yeah. I know the ground's.
Yeah,
you're standing. Look, you're standing.
Yeah, they was in the house too.
Oh my god. They're everywhere.
Alrighty, guys. Well, just got back in from Tractor Supply. I have my supplies. I had to get just this little pump-up sprayer because my backpack sprayer started leaking last time I was trying to spray some Roundup, and I don't want to get all these chemicals all over my back and skin and stuff. So I just got this cheap little sprayer for now until I invest in another backpack sprayer, which this will work perfect for going around spraying the garden and stuff like that. So we're going to go over here and see if we still have the beetles here. It's been about an hour and a half. Yeah, they're still here. See, check the ground here. There's not as many. Yeah, they're right here. Okay, yeah, they're all over here now. So yeah, they're all over this plant here that I didn't put 7 dust all over. So, all right, we're gonna get this stuff mixed up and show you what I got here. So I have this Bio Advanced vegetable garden insect spray. It says it kills most beetles. I never found anything that said blister beetles. I'm not for sure if they have another name, but when you Google blister beetles, these pop up. So we're gonna give it a shot. It says kills on contact. I'm gonna spray some right here. Let's see what happens. Stuff seems pretty potent. You mix a half a milliliter or a half an ounce, I mean, with a gallon. So that's a pretty good concentration. Tell me to use a half ounce for that. So here goes nothing. Good looking stuff. There we go. All right, I got one crawling right there. It's having trouble crawling now. Good news is this stuff will kill them. Took about 15 seconds or so, I would say 20 seconds maybe, from the time it hit it to the time it was on its back doing its final stuff. So I'm gonna go through here now and just start hitting all these things I see. They're all over the side of these raised beds. I'm gonna hit them there. Whatever's on our plants, because they're dead, I'm gonna hit them there. This is vegetable spray anyway, so it should be fine, but they're still just crawling. Yeah, they're everywhere. So I'm gonna go through, hit all these things. Hopefully it does the trick. So. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, so I thought I just had a few in here. Guys, when I started spraying, look at all them psychos that came out. I'm talking, they're everywhere now. Yeah, I gotta finish spraying this. So I guess they were on the underside of that stuff, because I only seen like 2 or 3 in there. And I started hitting it with that spray everywhere. And next thing I know, like the squash come alive, and they're coming out from underneath leaves and around plants and everywhere. So this is far worse than I thought it was at the beginning, which I wondered how that many cleared off all these leaves. Well, there's as many as was right here. There's probably just as many over there in that squash right now, just eating it up. So this is wild. I've never seen anything like this before. Alright guys, I pretty much dumped a whole gallon on there. There's an unbelievably amount of, goodness. I'll let you know if I get any blisters. Probably should be wearing pants, but unbelievable amount of beetles in that squash that I didn't know was there. I'm going to come back in about an hour, check it, and see how many dead ones I can see. There's actually quite a few that's not moving now right here, so it's working. Hopefully they all die. See you guys here in a little bit. Alright guys, well, I've been in, ate dinner, cooled off a little bit. We're going to come out here and see how this stuff worked. I may have to mix up some more and hit them again. I doubt I covered all of them because there's just too many of them. So no doubt I'm going to have some scragglers, but I anticipate seeing lots of beetles laying unresponsive. Fingers crossed. I mean, when I walk through here now, the grass isn't alive. I mean, there's still a few. There's still a few here, but.
Oh, there's a lot over here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of this. They're everywhere.
Not like it was earlier.
Oh yeah. I don't even know where it's at.
I mean, it did a number on them. There's still some around, but I think overall
It's a lot better.
It's a lot better. Let's see in here. There's one dead right there. That's a good sign.
Yeah, it's definitely calmed down.
There's one right there that's probably on his last leg. There's a dead one there. There's a bunch of dead ones down there. Overall, I think, it's one on my heel. I think we got a good number of them. Honestly, like I said, there's still a few here. I'll probably hit it again before dark. Walk back through and see what's still moving. But overall, I feel like this pesticide worked really well. I will come over here and show you guys what I use one more time. And if you guys have any trouble with these blister beetles, now Tractor Supply did have other options to kill these bugs. This was like $20 for this bottle. They had some that was up to close to 50 bucks. But I went with this Bio Advanced Vegetable and Garden Insect Spray. See right there, it says kills on contact. And it did pretty well. So that's pretty much all I got on this video. I think Hallie's wanting to show y'all something. She just couldn't handle Hunter being the only one with a new creature. So she said that Panther was scared and needed someone to play with. So there was one right there on my arm.
What was?
One of them beetles. So Sis got Milo, right?
Yeah.
Little Milo.
It's Panther's brother.
Panther's brother, yep.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Let's see her flip.
Oh!
Nice. That was awesome. Try to land one now. That'd have been good if he was in a swimming pool.
Get it on his face.
Oh, come on, land it. There we go. Nice.
Oh man, that was funny.
That was pretty funny. We did a 1.5. Alright guys, that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. And hopefully you guys learned from this video. And you don't have to learn the hard way like we did, losing our whole crop. Was really wanting to prepare more for the food shortages that are most definitely going to be coming. And other things. Now, what we have in the freezer, what we have in our food cellar is all we got. We'll have to rely, unless we plant some more after that. I don't know what else we'd plant, but our self-reliance this year has came to a halt due to blister beetles. So once again, be prepared. Don't learn the hard way like we did. Thanks for watching. Till next time. God bless.